Happy Friday. The week is almost over. Just cleaning up my mess this morning. Still got a little bit more to go. Just move this over here and put that back. Hopefully that milk crate stays on. Because the golf cart ones are the tough ones to stack because they're so higher up. They're so much taller than the other ones. Whew. That pallet weighed 2774. So with that, we have about 51,000 pounds of batteries. We're only allowed to load between 42 and 45,000. 774. And then they'll come in. Just so we're able to see it, something comes undone. I probably should have used white, but Then we'll deal with the customers now, Mr. Olin. We got a lot of room now. Oh, we got some chairs. 2 chairs. How we doing?
Hey, Jeff, what's happening?
Another day.
Good.
The last one.
Huh?
The last one.
Yeah, was it all right?
Of the week. Yep, the last one of the week. How many chairs we got? 4? That counts as 1.
Plus 1. Good.
3 in here, so 4, right?
Yep. 4 there.
Yep.
This is all types of irony. Weird. Irony included.
What about the bike? You saving the bike?
No, that goes, that's used. It's all aluminum frame.
That's heavy.
Okay.
Yep. Let's put on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 30. No, that's light. We got to get this out first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just set it down.
And then all these motors and stuff.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Motors go with it, right?
Yeah, because those are aluminum ones. Yeah.
Break down all the copper ones.
Something to do in your spare time, right?
Hey, that's right.
Light, heavy. That's all light. Whew. That's clean.
Yeah.
You didn't want to clean it, huh?
I'm not gonna do that one.
You're like, it's not worth my time. 290 pounds. Will it spark? If it sparks, you'll know. Just wait a minute. Nope. But it's aluminum.
Aluminium.
Aluminium, so we'll do light.
Let's say down under. Aluminium.
Aluminium. All this stuff?
Yeah, all of it's gone.
All this?
Various types of aluminum. That's probably light.
Yeah. That's probably clean, right?
Oh yeah, it is.
Light, yep. All that stuff, right? You even clean the sealed units, right?
Huh?
You even clean the...
I do, yes.
What do you do with the oil?
A bucket.
Yeah?
Then I seal the bucket.
Do you take it to discount or something?
Yeah. Then they process it.
Yeah, that's good. That can go as clean.
Alright.
Huh?
I like that.
I like that. We like clean. That all that? 54.
All right. Most of this stuff up top should be just clean.
Yep.
And then we have awnings, which are
They
mostly clean.
are they aluminum screws?
Yeah.
Then it's clean. Yeah. Do you have? Okay, you got a little bit of extrusion over the. Yep.
There.
So we'll put this whole thing over yonder.
How about these little pieces?
Yeah, we can probably take that whole thing, me and him. So we don't have to. Me and you can do that. Okay, hold on a second. Hold on. That can go. That's extrusion. Not that. Extrusion. You ready?
Oh man,
You got it?
Yep.
Bottom 110. Hold on. Yeah, he already put stuff in. Yep. Yeah, because they're all aluminum or stainless. So.
Yeah.
All right. What else we got? And some light ironing, right?
Yeah. Clean extrusion.
Yeah. 74. The extrusion will go over there. That same one?
Over there?
Yeah, that same one. Here, you made a nacho mistake.
Huh?
You made a nacho mistake.
Oh no.
You made...
You always busting his ass on screws.
Yeah, because extrusion's got to be clean.
Yeah.
It pays the most.
Yeah.
Most yards will buy it for breakage then, I bet.
Yeah.
He pulled a nacho.
I pulled the nacho. Matt does that all the time.
1, 2, 3 right there.
Oh yeah, I see
do that, because I know your wrist.
Yeah, I have problem with my wrists.
You got them old man.
Got them old man wrists.
Let's see here.
One right here. 1, 2, 3. Right, the same with this.
Sorry.
All right. That one too. can we get this off of here? Don't even worry about that then. Because we got all this too.
Yeah, the foam.
And the wood.
Oh, I didn't.
And this has got glass, so that can't go in there. Yep. This one got him too. Yeah, be all right. Be all right.
Thought about it.
What's that?
So I should have brought our
A
drill
drill
gun,
gun.
but that's my mistake. No.
People are like, it's 100% clean. There's no screws. I'm like, I'll find it. I'll find a screw. I'll find a screw. I can sniff it out. These concrete. They'll say something about that. So yeah. Right.
That's cleaned off. Almost done here.
It's all right.
I have Christmas wire in a box in the back seat on the driver's side. Yeah,
Thank you.
You love those Christmas lights.
One chick said she cleaned. She spent 10,
Oh, hell no.
10 minutes cleaning one. And I'm like, oh, one more.
This one?
Yeah, in there.
It's a hiding. And then we'll go back to light.
Okay. Handle should be stainless, right?
Yeah. Yep, they should be.
I had another one somewhere, I thought.
Mile long.
There we go. 28. Now, if you would have got it off,
Yeah.
then it'd be extruded.
Yeah. Live and learn.
Live and learn. Yep. Yep. You're only the third customer this morning.
Really?
Yeah. It was cold out this morning for Florida.
For Florida.
For Florida. That's the key phrase. It's a lot colder in other parts of the country. I'm gonna guess this is our last cold snap.
I think you're right. Getting ready to start planting my gardens.
Ooh. What do you plant?
I plant tomatoes, green beans, broccoli,
Ooh, broccoli.
carrots.
Yep.
We're going to do onions and garlic.
Celery.
Do some celery.
So
yeah.
if you buy a stalk, cut off the last
The
2
bottom,
inches,
yeah,
and then you put it in
water,
and then it'll sprout.
Yep. And then it goes in the ground.
Then it goes on the
That's
ground.
right.
Yes. Yeah. And Christmas lights. Plus 38. 38. Right on that same one. Yep. Plus. Not heavy. All right, add another 50 onto your clean, and you got a pound of stainless. Empty one is fine. Just like this.
This is one of those light ropes. I'm assuming it's considered.
We don't buy those, yeah.
Oh, well. We'll take it back then.
We'll take it back. So 18 pounds. Oh, that's sealed units. I'm a big fan of vegetables.
Yeah, we got. I got huge gardens.
187.
Very nice.
Where are you? All right, clean up. try and get as much of that as possible. Chris said to call a baler technician to see why it's breaking that one part, the relay or whatever it is. So I gotta grab this guy and get this out of here. It's too heavy to pick up. It's hard. Push this out so we can get another bin in here and start to pick this stuff up. Push all this over here so it doesn't get wasted. It will eventually get cleaned up, eventually. When that's back working. I probably won't get my bins back until Monday afternoon, because that battery truck will be here Monday, so they probably won't bring my trailer in. Bins for that right now, so. Get it on that right finger. Wire is so hard to grab. There we go. Good, dialer? Good? Alright, then I just gotta fill this up right here. Yeah.
Too bad though, you know, them guys need the money.
Well, I mean, God, there's a guy in a white van. He comes in here like 6 times a day with like $8 a trip. He's got a van. He's got a, you know,
Yeah.
like
Yep.
those scooters. Yep.
Aluminum base, aluminum net. Yeah, that makes it a little different.
The rest is heavy. Oh, yep. That.
I don't know about all this.
Yeah. That'll come over here, and then I'm gonna dump bins. It's a good idea for our contest. How many screens will come in a month? Hey, did you sell the smoker yet?
Yeah, I just put it online today. I got it all listed and just finished it up this morning. Got the last little touch up on it and got the handles on it.
2,500?
Yeah.
So what happens?
Bad.
Huh?
Probably
New junk. There's a reason somebody threw it out.
Yeah. You know what? A lot of guys will leave them sit.
Yep, and the carb gets gummed up. Yep. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't like to work on stuff.
That should be that. I ain't gonna worry about the rest of it.
2,500, huh?
I think so. I'm gonna give it a try. It's a lot of time, a lot of hours put in that.
Yeah, I understand. Like I do with the fire pits, huh?
You just can't give them away, you know. It's a shame.
Nobody wants to buy stuff right now. Nobody can afford it. That's the thing. $83.
All right, too bad. Better not fall.
Got one dump. People on YouTube said hi, Al.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How are y'all doing? Hey. You couldn't get those out?
Yeah, I didn't have time.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there?
I could have drilled it out. But...
Drilled it out, huh? I was right next to you yesterday.
Where?
On 50.
Oh, yeah? I didn't see you.
Yeah, you were driving.
I probably got scared.
Did you get scared of her driving? Dirty brass, 22. $21. $8. What are we doing? Some stuff? You can throw that over yonder. I saw when you went to turn in your driveway, you stuck your left arm out like this. You were. I was waiting to turn left to go back through Avalon.
Yeah.
I had to pick my daughter up. She goes to Timber Springs.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. You know where Percival is?
Huh?
You know where Percival is?
Yeah.
She lives down off of Percival.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. You should be able to scrap in that neighborhood soon,
How's that?
because the guy who scraps in there is moving.
What is it?
Yeah.
You got the pickup truck?
The red one?
Yeah.
Yep.
What'd he move to?
He don't know yet. The house that he's staying in, that he rents there, the guy's daughter graduated from college and is coming back, so.
Oh, really?
What's that? No, he lives in the house. 8. And that's it, right? Yep, another pound. So, you know where College Heights is off of Percival? So, you know where the school is on the left?
Yeah.
The next road on the right is College Heights. He lives in that. And then you got Brittany Place right next to it. And so all that area is going to be up for grabs now.
Where'd you leave it?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't like stuff on over Tuesday. Get in.
Well, yeah, I understand that. You know, scrappers are...
There's enough of that shit going on as it is.
The scrappers are pretty protective about their routes that they run.
Yeah.
84, sir. Is this your first time scrapping?
On this side, yeah.
Yeah, you never... Have you ever gone next door?
No,
No?
only here.
Oh, only...
Because I throw everything away. Some guy they told me, hey, they are...
That one? If you see a washing machine or a dryer on the road, that's like $10.
You put it,
Or like a refrigerator, you know,
oh, where they pay that?
out there. Where you just went? Yeah.
$10
Yeah, roughly.
on the scale?
On the scale, yeah.
So what, I don't know that metal.
I think these are metal. Yeah.
I don't know, because I try to find stuff,
That one's aluminum.
the stuff that may be good.
Yeah, sometimes stuff is good. Yeah.
Yeah, I found already like, I find washing machine already.
Yeah.
I sell it.
The rim. There's guys who repair them and they buy them for like $25, $30 a piece. Yeah. 45 on rims. Aluminum. 45. Oh, you got your magnet.
Yeah, I found this too.
That's for magnet fishing.
Yeah, they have the rope.
Yeah, the rope you throw into the rivers.
Oh, this is metal.
This one, metal, yep. All the pots and pans.
They go by weight?
Yeah. Yeah, that should have gone out there, but it's all right. Looks like the rest is clean. Yeah, those two are. Yeah. Over here, I'll show you. Over here.
And you buy this, all this, they buy separate like a...
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And the cables? Hey, the cables?
Yeah, I tried to make a big buck.
$1.40 a pound
$1.40.
for the cables. Yep.
You got this.
Aluminum.
How this?
Bronze.
Bronze. Everything money, huh?
If you take the handle off, it worth more.
Yeah, okay. So, I'll take these two off?
Not that one though, but this one.
Oh, okay. Next time. I know how the screws work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you.
The Packer. Let's see. This one feels light. This one feels like it's going to be aluminum. 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 Yeah. Aluminum. Alright, clean brass, yeah. Clean brass, dirty brass.
The lamp collection.
Yeah, the lamps. You gotta knock the glass out. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. See? I don't know if it'll do it. Ooh, there's a rock.
What's the bottleneck over here, David? I got stuff I can do. What do you
First time here, so let's show him. Let's teach him. I don't think that the bigger yard is going to like that to be all full of glass like that. Brass. +5. No. 6. Edit details.
All the pay for that separate too? The Christmas light?
Yeah, Christmas lights. See, yeah.
Because all the guys told me you throw too much on the other side.
Who said that?
Huh?
Who said that? The guys out there?
No, all the Hispanic people.
Yeah.
Because they saw me throw a store, they told me, hey, take the edging out from that machine, take these.
Yeah, you take the motor off and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That comes up here, like the lawnmower engines.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
If you, what else? If you, I'll show him. Yeah. See? Like this, $1.70.
Okay.
But like this, $3.20.
$3.20 now?
So you take the plastic off,
Okay.
and it's worth a lot more.
Is this regular one?
What?
This like...
Just Romex.
Okay.
But you can strip it.
But what about the
See?
computer? All the computer cable, TV cable,
Yep.
stuff like that?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. Yep.
You guys call the...
That's $1.40. I
Well,
didn't
that's what my wife said, you know, sometimes people scrapping, oh, poor guy, you know what, but yeah, well, they made money, you know.
You have $73.
Yeah,
73,
okay,
right?
yeah.
73.